Okay, Jared, where are we at?
New York. No.
Let's load it on up.
Where the local time is 12:41 p.m. It will take the captain a few minutes to get to the gate. In the meantime, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. To this home, welcome home. If you're passing through, we hope you enjoy your stay here in New York City.
Whispering spells about what it means to be wise. Glittering whites and shooting comets, milky bands that speak golden sonnets, intergalactic journey. So I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress. So bring your ass up on them stairs. I buy you shit because you wear it. Because you got
You gonna say, we in New York. We're trying again later, so we're at, hopefully y'all can hear me. I don't know because I don't have my thing, but we're at Joe's Pizza. Keith Lee just went here and he talked about it, so we're gonna try this out and we're gonna let y'all know how it tastes. Today's gonna be a chill day. I'm gonna go over the itinerary with you guys, but just wanted to check in.
On the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over the watch, how you did that? You get some scratches in.
Good morning, y'all. It is day 1 in New York. I feel like I'm talking loud, but I'm not trying to talk too loud. Boyfriend's in there sleeping. So I'm just about to get ready for today. And then I'll go over everything with y'all. Like yesterday was so crazy. Like we were supposed to go out. My one friend G, I don't think y'all met her because I didn't record in college, but she's out here for work. And my boyfriend have a couple of friends that's out here. So we were supposed to go out yesterday. And things happened at the hotel. It was pretty crazy. But we here, we got everything straightened up. Straightened out and everything, which is good, but it was definitely a lot. We was like, you know, like should we go out? And we got took a nap and we woke up and it was like only 7 o'clock. And I was like, damn, we should go out. And then I fell back to sleep and then I woke up at like 10. And he was like, okay, like let's go on with the pizza because we got pizza. Apparently in New York, or in general, hotels don't have microwaves. So we had to finesse our way in a hotel. And you know, Miss Mia, because I be talking to people. I was talking to this lady, we just blended right in. On today's agenda, We're going to try to go to One Summit Vanderbilt. Is this place where you can like see like all of New York really, really good. If that place doesn't work, The Rock, I think it's called. She said that that is a good place to go. So we'll try to do that. Jared, where are we at?
We in New York, man.
No, that's you're gonna try again. Okay, Jared, where are we at?
New York. No.
Good job. That was good. That was good.
Got the last one up.
Yeah, we are in New York, the Big Apple, NYC. That's where we at, in the place to be. If you didn't know, now you know.
Now you know.
So today's agenda, we are going to be New Yorkers. Yesterday, we was walking the streets, and how these New York people be walking, they just be crossing no matter if cars be coming or not. So that's what I started to do. And Jerry was like, Rio, be careful, I don't want you to get hit. So, but I just been walking the streets, like, cause we from here at this point. We not visitors, we from here.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I touch the 5 for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch I do it. All I won't cry, you scared it. I'm not. Long if you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinny, do it. I do bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Y'all, so we are walking to a bagel shop that I seen on TikTok, and we have a 37-minute walk that we gotta do. Let me show y'all. So this is Times Square. So I was like, we can stop walking.
What does the sign say?
Y'all, my contacts is so blurry, well, on my left side, and it's so many people out. And he's the GPS, so he gotta tell us where to go. So right now it's like 55 degrees. It's not too bad, but it's a little chilly.
No, that's tomorrow.
I'll check in with y'all on the adventure of this walk. I don't know how many blocks it is we walking, but at this point we're real life New Yorkers. I hope y'all can hear me okay, because I don't have my mic. Yeah, so this is the fit. Jacket is Pretty Little Things, pants is Pretty Little Things, long sleeve is Amazon, bag is Prada. No, I got it. Like, this is the second person we seen working out on the, what's those called? Like a pole, like a traffic stop pole. Like, what is going on? Okay.
In your heart you keep trying, the truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like
so y'all, I got the Weezer, and I'm gonna try to see how it is. So this is how it's just an extra cream cheese.
yeah, we could just walk away.
What'd you rate it? A 9. He said a 9. He had the croissant, cheese, and sausage. He said it's a 9. All right, y'all. So I need to find a Zara. Cause it's probably by the Flight Club. So y'all, we just left Tompkins bagel. Y'all, that was the best bagel I have ever had in my life. It's so good. Like, I don't know like if y'all know, but apparently like I guess it's like the water that we use in like Texas and stuff is different from the water they use here. Like that's why their bagels is so much better. But y'all, like, it was phenomenal. I didn't even eat all of it. So we're walking the streets now, and we're about to go to Flight Club, and then oh, this is NYU.
Oh, really?
Yeah. What's oh, I think it's like prayer.
That's nice. Get McDonald's.
So y'all, yeah. So we're by NYU. That's crazy. We about the college kids. I imagine going to college out here or like any other school, like out in a city like this, like it would be too much for me. But y'all, shout out to my man for getting me out of my comfort zone.
You like it, don't you?
I do. I need that. I need that in my life.
He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, she get the smell.
So we're at Flight Club. He's getting some shoes. $400 on shoes. Crazy. All I want to say is men do not listen. So a part of this trip, me and Kate is going to decorate the room. Okay, so Kate, Aaron, everybody is in on it, but Jared obviously isn't. So I told him we have steakhouse reservations, right? Told him that. His girlfriend, I guess he don't know who I am, because why would you think that we not going to the steakhouse? Me and a home of the steak. Anyway, so he didn't know he was going to steakhouse, so he brought no steakhouse clothes. So, and we're having dinner with Kate and Aaron, and he don't have nothing to wear. The outfit that he had it's not restaurant. This man brought hoodies, y'all. I said, now you know, he said, I don't remember. Yes, you do. I told you. I showed you. Anyway, neither here nor there. So now I gotta like hurry up and get ready because Kate is going to be which is decent, but somehow it got purple on both of the sleeves. Crazy. These are 2 birthday gifts I got him. I got him YSL. This is the new cologne, and I got him some Ray-Ban glasses because he always say he need glasses whenever he go out. So I brought him this. Well, we got reservations. We can always take more. All right, you guys, we're taking the subway, and I am excited. I don't know what about this experience. Baby, how do I do it?
Alright, this way.
Okay.
Subway is after, like, if you don't go for the first time, you have to wait 15 minutes before you can scan again.
Only an elevator there.
Alright, I'm ready. Not us underground. Yeah, right. So do y'all see a lot of rats? Okay, I said if I don't see a rat, I didn't been to New York.
Subway rat down
Ooh,
here.
let's go.
I bet you there is. We'll look for one.
Thank you. I catch it on my camera.
No, we need to find you a subway rat. They're here.
They're hiding.
They're hiding here somewhere.
She's trying to find me a rat. Do you know what time it is? It's shot o'clock.
Fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major league. He got bricks, plus his name.
Good morning, y'all. We are day 2 in New York. Today is a great day. It's my baby birthday. He loved his birthday gifts. And then we're doing the helicopter ride and everything today. I was about to say something, I forgot. Oh, you remember yesterday when you was trying to go in the steamer bag and I was like, the steamer's over there? Your gifts was in there.
I was so like
Kate and Aaron, because they're my friends now. Yeah, they're our friends. So they gave Jared cupcakes for his birthday. And this is like, I guess like a popular bakery. So they gave us that, and last night we went out. We went to like a rooftop. It really wasn't rooftoping, but it was a rooftop. Now we're about to go get breakfast because we have a long day ahead of us. So we gotta hurry and get stuff done. I feel like it should be out though.
that's what I thought it was.
But I check into y'all once we go to Zara and everywhere else. Bye y'all. We are real New Yorkers at this point. We've been walking the streets. Alright y'all, so I'm ready for dinner with my man for my man's birthday. Yeah, all black affair. That's what it's giving. So that's the vibes. Let me get my lip gloss while I'm up here talking. So yeah, this is the vibes. Let me show the outfit. Did you want to take a picture together?
Yeah, we can.
Okay, looking real good. All right, I know, right? So we're about to do the helicopter ride. You may proceed, sir.
Yes, I gotcha.
Are you excited? Yeah, so the other one, the fly on, that's a popular one too, but they had like the open door, and that one's like $1,000.
How much?
$1,000.
But I'm just gonna stay from dude car though.
That's what I was thinking.
Like,
y'all, so let me tell y'all what happened. We were just in an Uber, smell like ass. I'ma ask this man, I said, dude, I'ma ask him, I'm saying, sir, do we smell? Because but you know what they say? They said, with Chirac and the Bendigo, they was in the fire, but they didn't smell like it. That's the type of favor we got. So I'm just praying we don't smell like what we've been through, y'all, because we couldn't even talk. Like, we couldn't talk. Honestly, I feel like we need to air out.
Throw up, bro. I'm gonna throw up. Yeah.
I was like,
Sick of the side of mine, intrusive thoughts, the paralyzed, no fun is not, this advertised, this got to be more than here before.
you want one by yourself? Let's load it on up. Yes, we can. back from dinner. I'm about to take his birthday pictures, and then we're about to go out to this like African lounge called Lego. Y'all, I'm tired. It's only 11 o'clock, but I'm a grandma. I don't go out like that. So our dinner didn't go how I expected it to, but we made a good time out of it, which is all that matters. So as long as my man is happy on his birthday, that's all that matters to me. So we'll see you guys at Legos.